Hi, I'm Paul from Cumbria Computer Repairs. Today I'm going to show you Google Alerts. Google Alerts allows you to receive an email notification when somebody publishes a new article you are interested in via predefined Google Alerts you have set up. So to use this, if you open your web browser, go to google.co.uk/alerts. You may have to sign into your Gmail account or Google account. Click Create an Alert About. Type in the subject you are interested in. For this demonstration, I'm going to type in Cumbria Computer Repairs. After I've typed this in, you will see Show Options. Left click on this, and you can see you can receive and you will see there is lots of options on how often you can receive them, which email address will be sent to, and so on. So set it up how you like, then click Create Alert. This will then send you an email when something new is published, and these can be stopped at any time by going to the same website and removing it.